Can you recommend a beginner drummer DVD? I am a complete beginner and have just bought a drum kit and set it up. Can you recommend any DVDs for beginners, because there are so many out there? Something that covers all the basics. Have you just bought your first drum kit and wondering where to start? In this video, I'll share my top recommended DVDs for beginner drummers, along with an essential roadmap to help you learn the basics and build a strong foundation. Stick around, because I'll not only suggest the best DVDs, but also show you how to structure your learning journey to get the most out of your practice. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the options out there for learning, don't worry. I'm here to help you navigate the chaos. Today, I'll be covering my favourite beginner drum DVDs that break down essential skills, from stick technique to basic rhythms. Plus, I'll share why it's important to supplement your DVD learning with books, music theory, practice plans, and listening to music. Let's make sure you're set up to start drumming with confidence and purpose. But first, understand this. I do not usually recommend the greatest drummers in the world today or from the past unless the contents of their teaching materials are suitable for beginners. In this case, I would usually point to a specific idea or techniques as to why this DVD or other content is great for beginners. I actually believe more advanced drummers are not suitable for complete beginners because, first, they may get the beginner bogged down in ideas, concepts and techniques that frankly get in the way as you are beginning to learn drums. And second, those more advanced players are more suitable for drummers who can already play drums and want to make their playing better. Let's get to it. First off, let's talk about learning with DVDs. DVDs are a fantastic tool, but remember not to rely on them alone. Learning to read music, practicing with books, and understanding the theory behind drumming will give you a much deeper foundation than watching endless video tutorials alone. Of course, it's also a good idea to develop your music listening skills and develop the ability to zone in on any particular instrument as you listen, whether that's the drums, bass, guitar, piano, or any other instrument. This zoning in is all for a particular purpose. Usually, it will be to help you drum up a comprehensive and complementary drum part. That said, here are some of my top DVD recommendations for beginner drummers to get you started. Top drumming DVDs for beginners. Number 1. Dave Weckl. Back to Basics. Dave Weckl's Back to Basics is an iconic instructional video, and for a good reason. It dives into essential techniques, especially for beginners, covering everything from snare drum fundamentals to finger techniques. Weckl explains the most useful rudiments in a way that's easy to understand and highly effective for building strong foundational skills. If you're looking to improve your stick control and start learning rudiments, this DVD is an excellent place to start. The specific purpose of this DVD is to learn the finger technique and the 5 basic rudiments. Number 2. Dave Weckl. The Next Step video. Dave Weckl's The Next Step video is perfect for drummers looking to go beyond the basics and develop a more sophisticated approach to their playing. This video dives into applying rudiments and combination exercises in creative and musical ways. Weckl explains how to elevate your grooves and fills, and phrasing, making this a must-watch for anyone who wants to expand their creative drumming toolkit. This DVD is a more advanced one, but shows some exercises and techniques to develop over time. Number 3. Steve Smith Part 1. Drum Set Technique. History of the US Beat. In Part 1, Steve Smith covers essential drum set techniques from jazz to rock. Smith demonstrates how different rhythms evolved and how to adapt these styles to your own playing. This video is excellent for beginners who want a foundational understanding of drumming techniques while gaining insight into the cultural influences that shape modern drumming. Number 4. Steve Smith Part 2. Drum Set Technique Beyond the Basics. Part 2 of Steve Smith's series takes things to the next level by exploring advanced techniques. Smith breaks down some challenging concepts in an accessible way, making this video ideal for drummers who are ready to push their skills further and add depth to their playing style. These two Steve Smith DVDs and the Dave Weckl Next Step video are really aimed at the intermediate to more advanced drummer, so he can improve what he already knows and can play, to make it better, as it were. But there are some great ideas and concepts you should learn that will complement your drumming development, especially if you decide to take the Drumming Foundation program when it's published. Number 5. Tommy Argo. Great hands for a lifetime. Tommy Argo's DVD focuses entirely on hand technique and strength. It's a brilliant resource for learning stick control, speed and endurance, all critical for any drummer, especially beginners. The exercises and routines are structured to improve both hands equally, so if you're struggling with left-hand strength, this DVD can help correct that. Number 6. Jojo Mayer, Secret Weapons for the Modern Drummer. Jojo Mayer's Secret Weapons DVD is packed with detailed explanations and demonstrations of hand techniques. Although it covers more than just the basics, it's a fantastic resource for beginners who want to understand hand mechanics and proper grip. Mayer's approach is methodical, and he takes the time to break down each movement, making it easy to follow along. Number 7. Hudson Music, the Ultimate Beginner Series. This series from Hudson Music is designed specifically for those just starting. It covers basic grooves, fills and rhythms, providing a well-rounded introduction to drumming. It's a great starting point if you're looking to understand rhythm basics while playing along with clear demonstrations. While videos are fantastic tools, especially for visualizing advanced techniques or getting a feel for complex patterns, it's essential to keep things in perspective. Drummers like Dave Weckl and Steve Smith have been honing their craft for decades, building their skills and styles through years of dedicated practice. Watching them play can be incredibly inspiring, but remember that true progress comes from hands-on practice, listening and reading rather than just watching. Once you have the basic concepts down, such as posture, foot positions, hand positions and such, focus on developing your ear and learning to read drumming exercises and eventually drum charts. These skills will help you zero in on specific parts of the music and understand the nuances within a piece. Over time, this approach will deepen your musicality far beyond what can be absorbed from a screen. With that in mind, here's an additional option. Number 8. The Drumming Foundation Series, formerly known as the Time, Space and Drum Series. Finally, I always recommend my own series for all beginners and intermediate drummers who cannot read drum charts, the Foundation Series. The Foundation Series is structured to teach you how to start learning drums and to help you read music as you develop your drumming theory, knowledge and practice. The 12 books or program parts in the series guide you step by step, starting from the very basics, making it perfect for complete beginners, combining DVDs with other resources. As much as I recommend the DVDs mentioned previously, I also encourage you to balance your learning with books and music theory. The Foundation series is perfect for this, as it's designed with both theory and practical exercises in mind. I'd suggest working through each book one at a time, letting the concepts sink in before moving on. This approach helps reinforce everything you learn from the DVDs while adding depth to your understanding. Ideally, you would begin the Foundation program and watch Dave Weckl's Back to Basics as you develop, for the first 4 books at least. Then move on to the Steve Smith DVDs, as this will help you improve what you've learned through the Foundation program and Dave Weckl DVD. The others on this list can be integrated with the Foundation program too, but try to do this after these initial recommendations. But don't let this overwhelm you. Start with the Foundation series and Dave Weckl's first video. Then add the Steve Smith Part 1 after a few months. Setting up for success. To get the most out of your learning journey, I recommend finding a good private teacher for at least the first 12 months. 2 years would be better. A teacher can provide real-time feedback and help you develop your skills faster. Just remember that the Foundation series was created as an independent addition to your studies, so it's best to treat it as a supplement rather than the core curriculum with your teacher. Having a structured learning plan combining DVDs, books and a private instructor will set you up for steady progress and a deeper understanding of drumming. So there you have it, my top DVD recommendations for beginner drummers, plus some tips on how to create a balanced, effective learning plan. Combining these resources will help you build a strong foundation, understand drumming theory and develop confidence behind the kit. I hope this has been of some value to you. If so, don't forget to add your favourite drumming DVDs and videos in the comments below. And don't forget to tell us why you like that particular video. So, are you ready to take your skills to the next level? In my next video, I'll discuss what it really takes to be a drummer in a band, from keeping solid time to working with other musicians.